Hey skiers, Emily from skiessentials.com. Welcome to our 2023 ski test. In front of me I have the Blizzard Black Pearl 97, which is the widest version of the Black Pearl series. Though it's wider, still an all-mountain weapon for sure, can handle powder, but also can get around and handle itself well in tight terrain. Very forgiving, responsive ski, yet still very powerful. Maximum precision and control for a moderate waist width, which I love. So if you're looking for a wider ski that you can handle soft, powdery snow, but want to still be able to be nimble and maneuverable and get that responsiveness, this ski is great for that. As far as construction, we have a true blend wood core with carbon stringers in the tips and tails and slate metal underfoot. The true blend wood core is great because it precisely controls the flex and distributes the material throughout the entire length of the ski. So as far as performance, it's really perfect for that. Let's see, we have for the shape and profile, we have camber underfoot, which is ideal for edge grip and control on firmer snow. And then as you get to the tips and tails, we have a rocker in the tips and in the tails as well. So just an ideal all-mountain shape, and all in all, just the construction and the build itself just really enhances the performance depending on where you want to be skiing them. Yeah, these skis are great. They just really appeal to a lot of different skiers, especially skiers who do encounter softer snow and want that wider width underfoot. All of the models in the Black Pearl family are just really well-balanced, well-rounded skis. So depending on your preference, there's the narrower versions. This is the widest, like I said. So really forgiving, responsive ski with a 15-meter turn radius in this length, and that is just really great for many different shapes of turns. So you can make quick, snappy turns if that's what you want to do, and then medium to longer. They really engage in the deep arcing turns, and then the tail splay is minimal, so you don't get caught up and it doesn't have that hooky feel. So for more information on these, head on over to skiessentials.com, and we will see you soon.